That is the
point. Objections are not allowed insofar as the process. Objections are specifically insofar as the questions. And
so when the question itself is wrong, yes, how you are expecting the...
That is the reason why not to rectify.
What is the, as per you, what is the fault? If the question paper is wrong, it is not a fault. You are supposed to frame the question properly, which should be understood by everybody. You can't say that my process is correct.
But specifically to look into this grievance and all other grievances relating to the key answers, provisional key answers, expert committee was formed. This formation of expert committee is a matter of course. As
expert committee report, what they have said. Have they accepted that the questions were framed wrongly? Or
that is the reason why I'm making the submission. So far as the first prayer is concerned, the prayer, I would say, is now rendered infructuous by virtue of the publication of the results of the preliminary examination.
How have you published the result?
I'll come to this.
I surprised to hear this argument.
I come to this. Insofar as the second prayer is concerned, there is a prayer. Their second prayer still survives for consideration. Their second prayer is that consequently direct second respondent to conduct fresh examination for the post of gazetted probationers Group A and Group B. That still survives for consideration. So my only submission to your lordships is, if the matter is posted any day next week for hearing, in any case not in serial number 38, their application is for early hearing, that may be allowed. A date may be fixed any day next week, because not the last date to submit main examination applications as of now is 1st of March. So there is time between now and 1st of March, within which the matter can be finally heard and disposed of. We will also file our objections, whether or not we have published the report, whether we have furnished it to government.
The report was to enable you to come to a decision whether the question papers were not correctly framed or whatsoever. From Kannada to English or English to Kannada, both ways there are a problem. How have you published the report? That is what is my small question.
Report is not published, the report is shared to the commission.
It's okay. How have you published the final result? How have you published the final result then? If expert committee has said, what have they said? Whether the question were framed wrong?
That is precisely what I am saying. That
why did you publish? Kindly tell us, why did you publish the result?
I will file detailed objections.
Kindly look at the ordinance of the Public Service Commission, my lords. I am regret to say this. Subject matter before this tribunal is pending. They are aware of this fact. The subject is seized here. In spite of that, they proceeded further, taking the disadvantage of your lordship's act.
The only issue, we allowed them to publish, we allowed them to continue the process. But how they have come?
They cannot say, with
the condition that what they have to take a decision in accordance with the opinion expressed by the experts. What opinion expressed by the committee, don't know.
Yes.
What decision have taken by the KPSC on the basis of the expert committee, you don't know. That is to be ascertained in this proceedings. Then we can see
all that before. Lordships may have it on Monday. We will place everything before.
You said they may not proceed further. Now
timetables are published. Proceed.
After publishing of the report also, in many cases you have said don't issue appointment order. So it's not that the KPSC is giving the final published list as a separate. No, we are dealing with the case. We are dealing with the case where after publishing of a final report list, you said don't issue appointment order. So, tell us one thing. When is the date of filing this? They have
main examination applications. It's 1st of March. 1st of March is the last day.
Applications to be filed now. We have to log in the regular application. We have to log in now. An issue relating to infectious is concerned, I request my learned friend to read the judgment of the Supreme Court in Goyal's case, where it's an election commissioner was appointed within a 24 hours. Notification was issued. Public interrogation was presented before the Supreme Court. Point number 1, question raised by the State Union of India was that did SLP become infectious because you have issued a notification? Supreme Court said you are not making a small game here.
You have published a final list, is it?
Yes.
No, Lord. We have published
The list of candidates who are successful.
list of candidates
Now they have to log
in the
in.
preliminary examination and qualified for the main examination.
Now the thing is that when your question itself is wrong, and so many people are saying questions are wrong, and you have not.
That
See,
You are going to conduct a
you are
examination.
totally at liberty to do action because expert and all is your
Yes.
internal matter.
is.
But because government said that you kindly submit it before taking a decision, how have you disobeyed
Not
government?
this specific direction. Have we complied with
Where
or
is
not?
that letter from government?
No, I just received it now, Lord. This morning I received it. I received it this morning from the other side. I don't have instructions on this. That is the reason why I'm saying Lordship may post the matter on Monday to be heard finally.
Bad, long bad.
To be heard finally.
Tomorrow or day after?
Tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow to be heard finally. I'll file my objections.
And he will file an affidavit.
See,
Along
we
with
are
that,
looking not for
appointment-
one minute. We are looking for solutions, not an objection.
Not for you.
See, the thing is that you are the one who decided I will publish the key. Once the key is published, you have asked for objection. When the objections have come, have you disposed them of? In the
Yes.
same manner as you
Yes.
called for objection.
Yes.
Where is that?
Lord, that is precisely what I'm saying. It has been
And then why
considered
have you published the result? I mean, the list.
because it
Without
has been-
informed, no. We have
Knowing fully well that issue is pending before this honorable tribunal. After
we
argument,
have not
half an hour.
asked for
Apart
that.
from it, government has given certain
Government has
instructions.
Fortunate, my lord. It's
For
a-
If I
submission
have
of
it
their
day after
preliminary
tomorrow, whether
report.
this direction is complied or not, I'll make my submission.
You have to come along with some solution also.
Please.
Not always objection. See, it's a matter of a life and for a career. People are aspiring for a career in the service.
Lordship should also consider this more.
See,
That-
even you all have started this type of process, not in anywhere in the country it is there. Even 12 lakh people take IIT exam, they never call for objection to the key.
Clear answer.
Key is published, just published.
Publish the answer, yes.
IIT, 12 lakh people take it. If everybody start objecting to every answer, what happens? Why have you started this type of thing?
That
Which is not as per your rule. As per rule, it is there.
Not as per,
But
not as per.
I file it along with my detailed objections.
Dispute is an inbuilt construction in public service commissions. One way or the other. Either in appointment of chairman, appointment of members, conducting examination, evaluation, selection, publication in the very thing. It's an inbuilt composition.